Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you about Wealth Wizard in 300 seconds. So basically, this is our sign up window. You put all your details like monthly income, expenses, etc. etc. This is used by the AI to personalize the response for your personal financial planning according to you. These are all the features that are available on our website, which acts as a complete personal financial planning hub. Now, let's take a look at the expense tracker feature. So basically over here, we'll just quickly fill up different sorts of expenses over this July month. As you can see, it visualizes the data very beautifully. So you know where you are spending. Next up, you can see all your expenses as well as generate and download a PDF report. As you can see over here, the PDF report for the July month. Next up, let's move on to budget optimizer. So for all the expenses you filled in your last page, you can fetch it over here. As you can see, this guy is spending more than his earning. We optimize this budget, and AI provides us with a more optimized budget where we can save up to 42% of our income, as well as some AI suggestions. We can also export this data in Excel to PDF. Next up, let's move on to debt payoff calculator. So basically, suppose you want to take a debt for house, this will visualize the data for you. It will show you interest, how long it will take to pay off the debt. Also, let's try it for another loan. Suppose you want to take a car loan. Again, you can see the how long it will take to pay off your car loan. Also, you can see history of your old calculations. Let's move on to financial goals. Now, suppose you are planning for retirement. So after adjusting the amount of 50 lakhs for retirement, it comes out to be 75 lakhs. So over there, you saw the SIP. Now you can also track all your investments over here. It visualizes all that data as well quite beautifully. There is a credit score improvement guide on how you can improve your credit score, a kind of simulation of sorts. Now you might have observed that hat icon on all the pages. Over here, from different pages, you can prompt different things. Or so you can just start a new chat and ask whatever personal financial planning goals you have, questions you have, and the AI will respond to your personal specific needs. Over here, if we try changing some details about ourselves and start a new chat and ask something else from the AI, it will definitely give me a personalized response. And you can see over here. And this is the main feature of our application alongside all these various ecosystems. And thanks for watching. That was Personal Financial Planner in 300 seconds.